Hello everyone and welcome back to English Info Lab, your space to learn English step by step with simple explanations and practical tips. I'm your name, and today we'll talk about something that almost every English learner struggles with, the 5 most common mistakes English learners make, and how you can fix them. Stay with me until the end, because I'll give you a little quiz to test yourself and make sure you're not making these mistakes anymore. Mistake number 1 is mixing up verb tenses. For example, learners often say, "Yesterday I go to the market." Instead, you should say, "Yesterday I went to the market." Why does this happen? Many languages don't change verbs for past, present, and future in the same way English does. Quick tip: practice with timelines. Say out loud, "I eat breakfast every day." Present: I ate breakfast yesterday. Past: I will eat breakfast tomorrow. Future. Mistake number 2 is using the too much. Learners often say, "The nature is beautiful." But in English, we don't need the here. Correct sentence: nature is beautiful. Rule of thumb: use the only when you're talking about something specific. The book on the table is mine, but books are important. General know thee. Try this. Look around your room. Point to an object and make a sentence. Example: the phone on the desk is black. Mistake number 3: direct translation from your native language. For example, in some languages people say something like, "I am agree," but in English we say, "I agree." Quick tip: don't just memorize words, memorize phrases. I agree. It depends. I'm just kidding. If you learn phrases, you won't need to translate word by word. Mistake number 4 is pronunciation. For example, learners often say, "especially," instead pronounce it as especially. Receipt: instead receipt, the P is silent. Practice tip: use a mirror. Say the word slowly and watch your mouth. Repeat after me: comfortable, comfortable, vegetable, vegetable, Wednesday, Wednesday. Mistake number 5, forgetting plurals. I have two cats. Tip: always check if your noun needs an S, 1 apple, 2 apples, 1 friend, many friends. But remember, some plurals are irregular. 1 child, 2 children, 1 man, 2 men. Okay, now let's do a quick quiz together. I'll say a sentence and you decide if it's correct or incorrect. Ready? 1. Yesterday I eat pizza. Incorrect. Correct. Yesterday I ate pizza. 2. The sun is hot today. Correct. 3. I'm agree with you. Incorrect. Correct. I agree with you. Great job. So those were the 5 most common mistakes English learners make. 1. Tense mix-ups. 2. Using the everywhere. 3. Direct translation. 4. Pronunciation mistakes. 5. Forgetting plurals. Remember, mistakes are normal. Don't be afraid of them. The more you practice, the more natural your English will become. If you enjoyed today's episode, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends who are learning English too. And tell me in the comments, which of these mistakes do you make most often? Thanks for watching English Info Lab. See you in the next episode. Keep practicing, keep learning, and stay confident.